of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Butte County in northwestern South Dakota until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:19 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles southwest of Newell, or 18 miles north of Sturgis, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Newell around 7:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Owl Butte. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Butte, South Dakota. The National